Okay, let's begin. Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbana zidna ilma. O Allah, please increase all of us in knowledge and make it easy for us to learn new things, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How many of you have been able to go through the questions which we saw yesterday and the remaining questions which I shared out as pre-read?
Few we could do. I could do.
Okay, so
I wasn't able to do it.
Yes, Sadia found it difficult. It's actually difficult.
No, I couldn't even open it. I was
Okay,
thinking to-
Sadia couldn't find time to do it. Anil aunty, you were saying something?
No, Sahib, I couldn't do it.
Okay, Anil aunty is also super busy. All Bangalore people are super busy. Lot of work to do in Bangalore.
I also went through few questions with Sahib.
Okay, Nahid aunty has gone through a few questions. Adnan, were you able to see the questions?
No, Sahib.
I could just go through the previous ones, yesterday's recording and a few more.
Okay, Adnan is Bangalore person. So Adnan, cool, no problem. We'll go through the questions, inshallah. Anyone has a question on the first? Let me mute.
Sahib, your voice is not clear.
Now is it clear? I think there was an echo in someone's connection. I think it should be better now. Okay, anyone has a question on the first question? The school's new teacher, and the new teacher is a feminine teacher. Okay, so it's a lady teacher. The school's new teacher is very tall. That would be Mudarrisatu al Madrasati. That would be teacher of the school. Al Jadidatu. Jadidatu would link with Mudarrisatu. So it will be the new teacher of the school. Tawilatun Jiddan. Tawilatun Jiddan means very tall. So the new teacher of the school, very tall. There's a hidden is in between. So the translation is the new teacher of the school is very tall. Okay. If we have to make this masculine, what would we say? How would we make this masculine? How do we say that school's new male teacher is very tall? Zahan. How do we say the male teacher of the school is very tall? What changes would we do here? Zahan, you are on mute. Sadia, what changes would we do here to make it the male teacher?
Mudarrisatu will become Mudarrisu.
Mudarrisu. Okay, very good.
Al Madrasati will become Al Madrasi.
Okay.
Al Jadidatu will become Al Jadidu.
Okay.
Tawilun.
So we Lunjidan.
Yeah,
You're still making one mistake. There's one mistake from what you said.
Al Madrasati will be same.
Correct. Al Madrasa is always Al Madrasa. Al Madrasa is a feminine noun. Okay. So Mudarrisatu will become Mudarrisu. Al Jadidatu is an adjective for Mudarris. So this will become Al Jadidu. Tawilatun is another adjective. So Tawilatun will become Tawilun. But Madrasa will stay Madrasa. Madrasa will not change. Very good, Sadia. Nice. Now let's try the second question. Does anyone want to try to put the harakat. Does anyone want to try to put the fatha, dhamma, kasra and make sense of this sentence? Let's try it together. Okay, we'll be wrong. Few things will be wrong, but let's try to put the zabar zer pesh and try to put the sentence in a way that is easy for us to understand. So this is, we have bait and we have al mar'atu. So bait is house, mar'atu is woman, al kabiru is big. Okay, so what would be the harakat here? Bait, al mar'a, al kabir. So what would the harakat be for these three words?
Will it be O?
By two, okay. By two, and next is al mar'a.
Baitul Mar'a. Kabir.
Your voice is breaking, Sadia.
There also, will it be O?
Al mar'atu,
I think so.
okay. Al kabir,
Al Kabirun.
al kabirun. Al will not have un, no? So it has to be either kabirun or al kabiru.
Al Kabiru.
So it's either al kabiru, al kabira, or al kabiri, because there's a null. It cannot be double, it has to be single.
No,
So-
sure, sir.
Okay, so Sadia is saying this is question mark. Very difficult. Okay, any more other attempts?
Is it Baitul Mar'ati sa house of?
Okay, let's try Baitul Mar'ati. Let me put this again at the bottom. Let me give a little bit of space. Let's do 3 tries. Okay, so we have one more try which is saying Baitul Mar'ati Al Kabir,
True.
Al Kabiru. Okay, Fi is going to be Fi.
Fi Madinati.
Fi Madinati. So Madina is city. Al Madina is the city. Okay, so Al Madinatul Munawwara is the city of Madina that we know. So Madina is city. So is Fi Madinati. Rajul or Rajul is the man. Rajulun is man. Rijalun is men. So we have seen Khamsatu Rijalin, that is 5 men. Let me pull that up. That is in Numbers. This will be something which is familiar. So Numbers 1 to 5. Where have we seen 5 men? I think we saw it soon after this. Okay, so we have seen Khamsatu Rijalin. So Rijalin is men. Rajulun is what you are saying here. Rajulun is 1 man. Rijalin is many men. Okay, so Khamsatu Rijalin. Khamsatu will be feminine. Why? Because Rijalin is masculine. So it's between numbers 3 and 10. You're going to have male, female, female, male. It's going to be opposite. So Rijalin is men, masculine. So we will say Khamsatu. We will not say Khamsu, we will say Khamsatu. Okay, so Khamsatu Rijalin is what we have seen. Masculine of Rijalin is Rajulun. So this is Ar-Rajulu, the man. Al-Amrikiyu or Al-Amriki, whatever. This is American. Al-Jamila, Jamila is beautiful. Okay, so what are going to be the harakat for Ar-Rajul, Al-Amriki and Al-Jamila? Let's see that later. Let's try to start translating this part first, okay? So, question now to Hifza. Hifza, which part? So, taking this sentence, on top we have red, at the bottom we have blue. Which one's correct? The red one or the blue one?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Why it's not going to be by tu al mar'atu? because Baitul Mar'ati would make sense. Okay, it would mean Baitul Mar'ati would be house of the woman. Mar'a is woman. Okay, now let me try to make this wider. Okay, seems like it's difficult, so I'll skip this. Okay, so Baitul Mar'ati is house of the woman. Baitu al Mar'atu, what pattern does this form? Baitu al Mar'atu?
Mudaf mudaf ilayhi.
No, to mudaf mudaf ilayhi, I need to have an al here. No, that is Naat Manut. Mudaf mudaf ilayhi is this one,
Not.
the second one. The first one, Naat Manut, I need to have an al here. Okay, so al Baitu is the one which will pair with al Mar'atu, because I need an al. But this would mean Bait is house. Okay, al Mar'atu would be woman, so it would be house woman, which would actually not mean anything. This is not an adjective. Okay, it's a possession case. So we'll say house of the woman, and we are putting al Kabiru. Al Kabiru is correct. Al Kabiru is the big woman or the big house. What would this link with? What would al Kabiru link with?
The old woman.
Ji Naitanti?
The old woman.
The old woman?
Yeah.
Al Kabir is big.
Yeah.
Old is Qadim. Qadim is old. Kabir is big.
To link with Baitu.
Why it will not link with Mar'ati?
Because you're talking about the house, no, Sahabe.
No. I'm talking about the house. But why am I saying that this links with the house and not with Mar'ati? How do I link this with Mar'ati? To put it the other way. How do I say house of the big woman or house of the tall woman? Let me answer it for you. Baitu, it is Baitul Mar'ati. Okay, there's a hidden al here. I'm removing the al. Why? Because I have to make the off construction. So I'm putting here an off. Here I'm putting an off. Okay, so that's why I'm taking off the al. Okay, so the off is taking off the al. So Baitul Mar'ati. This has an al. This also has an al. This has u. This has u. Singular. Okay, masculine. Bait is masculine. Al Kabir is also masculine. So this is actually linking with this. Okay, and what would this mean? This would mean Baitu al Mar'ati al Kabiru. So Baitu al Kabiru and al Mar'ati. What's the translation of these first three words? Baitul Mar'ati al Kabiru. What is Baitul Mar'ati?
House of the woman.
It's the house of the woman.
The house of the woman. Very good. Now al Kabiru. What did we say that it links with?
House.
House. So what's going to be the translation?
The
The
house
big
of
house.
is big.
It's big.
The big
The big house of the woman.
It will not be is big, no, because it's al Kabiru. So it's
Okay.
an adjective phrase, so it's going to be the big house of the woman. Okay. If I did not put the al, then it will be the house of the woman is big. But because there's an al, there's no is yet. It's still a continuation. It's still the same subject. So there's a continuation here, and there's a continuation here as well. Okay. With this continuation here, this is Naat Manut, and I'll underline all of this. Let me do. All of this is an off construction. This is a Naat Manut construction. So all of this is subject. There's still no break in the sentence. Okay. Fi, here there's a break because fi is talking about something else. Okay. So let us see if there's a hidden is. So what is fi?
In.
Okay. So let me put that there is a break here. Okay. Then I have in Madinati. What is Madinati?
Medina.
Madina.
Medina. Now, is it going to be Madinati after fi? There's going to be kasra. So it's going to be single kasra or double kasra? It's going to be fi Madinati or fi Madinatin? It should be Madinatin, no? Because why will it be Madinati?
Because there's no al.
So this should be correct. Now let's go to the next word. So Madina, and then there is a Rajul. So this is man. This is city. Okay. And then I have Al Amri Kiyu. This is American. Like Suriyun is Syrian. Pakistaniyun is Pakistani. Turkiyun is Turkish man. This is American. Okay, so it's American something. It's not America. America would be America. This is a person. Okay, this is American.
So will it be American man?
American man is what it most likely would be. But how do we write it in Arabic? What would the harakat be?
Al-Rajuli Al-Amriki.
Madinati Rajuli Al-Amriki.
No, Al-Madinatin. Al-Rajuli Al-Amriki.
Madinatin won't come, no, Sadia? Because I have Al. So it's
Rajulu, no?
Rajulu.
okay. Let me put Rajulu here. Okay, Rajulu Al-Amriki. What would the harakat be for Amriki? Amrikiyu?
And of.
Ma'am, of American? No, this is American. Rajulu Amrika could be off, but American man, I need to put Nath Manut. So let's do Amrikiyu. Al-Jamilatu.
Al-Jamilatu.
Al-Jamilatu. Okay. What else?
Amrikiyu Jami Al-Jamilatu. Kya?
Okay. And the first one will be Al-Jamilati. Okay, let's do Al-Jamilati here. Okay. Now, coming to the translation. So we've done this part. Okay. So the big house of the woman. The big house of the woman in, what is Madinatin?
City of America.
Madinatin is
Medina.
so we'll go step by step. In a city
City of America.
no, after Medina is Rajul, no? There's man before America. So I need to put the man in first. Then let's do the man linkage first and then we'll go to America. Fi Madinatin or Rajulu.
Will it be of an
No,
American man?
City of an American man. Okay. Al Jamilatu.
It's beautiful.
In a beautiful city of
In a city, so Anil Aunty is saying it's going to be a beautiful city. The house of the woman in a beautiful city.
a man from a beautiful city of America.
From needs to have a min, no? There's no min here, so I cannot have a from. The big house of the woman in a beautiful city of a man from America. The problem here is that there's no from. From would be min. Min is from. There's no from here. So I cannot have from. Okay, so let's stick with this. This looks good. The big house of the woman. Now there is and is here. Okay, so all of this doesn't seem to have is. So the big house of the woman is one part. Okay, so the big house of the woman. Let me underline this because this is mudaf ilay, is in a beautiful city of an American man. So I have city of American man here in underline. Okay, so this is the translation. Do we have any other attempts? Sadia, is this good? So the big house of the woman is in a beautiful city of an American man. It should be the American man, no? Because it is ar-rajul. So let me make this the American man. This seems more appropriate. So the big house of the woman, and I have the beautiful city of the American man. So let me take American off because this is going to be Nath Manut. So city of the man is the other of construction. So city of the man. So it's beautiful city. Okay, let me make this bold. So beautiful city, and I have American man, and I have big house. Okay, so is this a translation? Any other answers, guys? So I have all of this. So these are adjectives. So I have big house adjective, beautiful city, American man, and I have one off here. I have one off here. Okay, let's see the sentence again. Baitul mar'ati al-kabiru, the big house of the woman. Fi madinatin ar-rajulu al-amrikiyu al-jamilatu. Okay, now the big house of the woman is okay. And I'm saying is in a beautiful city. So madinatin is fine. Now when I'm saying beautiful city of the American man. Okay, so I'm saying city of the man. I have Madinatin and ar-rajulu. Is this correct? Madinatin ar-rajulu, would this be city of the man? How would I say city of the man?
Madinatu should come. Madinatu.
I have fi, no? So fi will change the Madinatu.
Madinatu.
So it's either going to be Madinati or Madinatin because there's a fi. Fi is going to make it kasra. See, it can either be single kasra or double kasra.
Yeah.
So Madinat, it could either be Madinati or Madinatin. Or Rajulu can either be Rajuli or Rajulu. So what is it going to be? Sadia.
Yes, sir.
So what is it going to be? Is this correct or not? Madinatin or Rajulu? We want it to be city of the man.
Of construction का तो रजुली आना क्या माँ?
क्या मम्मा? No, kasra na. After off you will have kasra. There's no
Madinatu Rajuli.
Madinatu Rajuli, but there's a fi in front of Madina, so it cannot be Madinatu.
Madinatin Rajuli.
Madinatin Rajuli or Rajuli. What are the rules of Sadia? Let me show you what we noted yesterday. No, not there. Here. What are the rules of off? Sadia.
No use of al and no use of double kasra.
No use of al, no use of double haraka. That is before off.
Yeah.
Okay. And after off, what am I going to have?
After of, you'll have a double haraka.
After of, what will I have?
In un or an.
No. What is there after of, Sadhya? What's there here?
In or e.
Single or double kasra?
I'll have a kasra for sure. It can either be single or double. Okay. And before, 1 minute. Let me try to complete this. Okay, very difficult to put the bracket there. So let me leave it. See, so before can be anything, but it's going to be single harakat. There's going to be a single dhamma, fatha, kasra. Okay, there's going to be no al, there's going to be no un, in, un and in. So there's no al, there's no double. There's only going to be single. Okay, and the single is going to be odd. Because generally I'll have double or I'll have al, but here it's going to be single. And after off, I'm going to have kasra, single or double. Okay, now applying this rule here, how would I say city of the man? Let me put the fee also here. because-
Madinati or Rajuli, I guess.
Fee Madinati or Rajuli, correct. The fee is going to make the Madinatu. If there was no fee, I would say Madinatu Rajuli, the city of the man. But I'm putting an in. Fusil, तुम्हें mute पे जाना पड़ेगा, Fusil. Let me mute you. Okay. So in the city of the man, so fi Madinatir Rajuli. Okay. So fi Madinatir Rajuli is the first one. Fi Madinatir Rajuli. Now we are saying American man. So how do we say American man? This is Al Rajuli. I will say Al Ameriki. Okay. Now I want to say beautiful city. Okay, I don't want to say beautiful man. So how will I say beautiful city? Will I, or let me make it more simple, okay? So let me make it easy for you. Because I'm saying beautiful city, city is Madina, this is feminine. American man, man is masculine. Okay? So beautiful city, the beautiful has to link with city or with man. Is beautiful city or beautiful man?
City,
City. So it's going to be masculine or feminine?
feminine.
Feminine. So that's why I'll say Al Jamilati, I will not say Al Jamili. If I say Al Jamili, it would be beautiful man. Okay? I say Al Jamilati, it links with Al Madin, it links with Madinati with the hidden Al, so it links with Al Madinati. So this links here. And Al Amriki links here because this is masculine. This is feminine. So to say the big house of the woman is in a beautiful city of the American man, I would say Al Baitul Mar'ati Al Kabiru Fi Madinatir Rajuli Al Amriki Al Jamilati. That's the translation. Now, let's try to mark the answer and let me allow you guys to annotate. So what are the answers like? The answers are in English. So let me come here. So let's annotate. Let's see who gets the answer correct. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, let's try to mark the answer. Okay, so Hifza says it is C. Muniba, is that B or C? B.
C. C.
C, okay. Muniba also says it is C. Nahida auntie also said it is C. Now everyone else is also going to say it is C. C is the answer. So it's the big house of the woman is in the American man's beautiful city. Okay, and these are the harakat. So it's Baitul Mar'ati al Kabiru fi Madinatir Rajuli al Amriki al Jamilati. Nice. Now let's go back. Let's do an easy question now. Let's go to our class questions.
Sahib, can't it be the second one also may be correct? No, Sahib.
Let us
Handsome
see the second answer.
American man.
Sahib Prasad, do we have quiz today?
Do you want a quiz today, Zahan?
Yes, Sahib Prasad.
You need to get these answers correct, Zahan, before you go to quiz. I did not get the correct answer from you. I did not get a single correct answer from you. So before you ask about quiz, you need to get these questions correct, Zahan. Okay? Now, in the second question, handsome is linking with the American man.
Yes. If we put the harakat in that way, won't it mean it?
Let us try this thing out. So handsome is linking with American man. And the third one, it is beautiful city.
Yes.
Okay? So
Yeah.
our Rajulu is masculine.
Yes.
Al Amriki is also masculine.
I understood, Sahib.
Is feminine.
Yeah, I understood.
So this cannot link with this.
Yes. Yes, I understood.
Yep. So that's why the handsome will not link with the man. It has to link with city because city is the only other feminine one. So
Right.
Medina. So that's why it has to be C.
Okay. Yeah, I understood. Thank you.
Yep.
Just get out.
Yakum. Okay. So Zahan, now next question is for you. Okay. If you can do third question, and you had these questions yesterday, if you can do third question, we'll do quiz. Okay. If you cannot do third question, I'll continue teaching you. So Zahan, what is the answer to the third question? The translation of the boys' school book is from the short girls' class. So A, B, C, D, E, and you explain the answer, Zahan. This is quiz question. Okay. So this is quiz question for you. Think that we are doing a quiz question, and what answer will you mark and explain it to us? You're on mute, Zahan. You can unmute and tell the answer. So A, B, C, D, or E.
Should be
Yes, Zahan. So we have kitab, we have al-walad, so book, boy, al-madrasiyu, the school, men is from, fasl is class, al-bint is the girl, and al-qasiru is short. Okay, these are the words. What is the answer, Zahan? When you don't know the answer, Zahan, will I give a quiz and will I ask you to mark the answer, or will I teach you to how to get to the answer, Zahan? What should I do?
Uncle, please can I tell?
Yes, Muniba?
It is the E one.
E, okay. And what would the harakat be? Let's go back
Kitab.
to notes. Okay. Let's go back to notes and let's try it there so that we can do attempts. Okay. So what would be the harakat, Muniba?
Kitab.
Kitab. So it's kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, kitabu, kitaba, kitabi. There could be 6 options.
Kitabun.
What is it?
Kitabun.
Kitabun. Okay. Kitabun. Walad. Al-walad.
من كتاب الفتاة القصيرة صفندرة.
Someone's trying Google Translate. Let's see if you can get the correct answer. So kitabun
Zahan.
al walad. Muniba. So it's going to be al waladu, al walada, or al waladi because there's an al. It cannot be anything else. It has to be the waladu, walada, waladi.
Waladi.
Al waladi.
Al-waladi kitabun.
Fuzil, mute पे जाओ Fuzil. Kitabun al waladi, and then al madrasi. Kitabul waladi, and I have al madrasiyu. फिर आपको म्यूट पे जाना पड़ेगा, आपके एंड से बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है फुज़ैल. मेरी आवाज आ रही है तुम्हें फुज़ैल?
Yes.
अच्छा, मैं बार बार आपको म्यूट कर रहा हूँ, आप अनम्यूट कर रहे हो. आपको आंसर बोलना है तो आप बोल के वापस म्यूट पे जाना पड़ेगा आपको. क्या है आंसर फुज़ैल? ठीक है, आप आंसर बोल सकते हो या आप म्यूट पे जाके बाकी लोगों को ट्राई करने दे सकते हो. ठीक है. यस मुनीबा. सो किताबुन अल वलदी अल मदरसियु. This is going to be min. Fasl is going to be faslun, faslan, faslin, fasli, faslu, fasla. What is the answer?
Faslun. Faslun.
Faslun, okay. Bint. What's the rule for min, Muniba? What would min do in a sentence?
It will tell is it a male or a female.
No. Min is from. When I have from, let me open that note. Okay, so this is, I think, from this class.
By I've stopped screen sharing.
I've stopped screen share. Let me share my screen. Okay. So Muniba, what is min going to do to a word? What's the rule for min, ala, ila, fi, an, li, bi?
From. Min is from.
Yes. See, we have min and we have baiti. Min is going to change the word after it to kasra. Where I have min, it's going to make the word after it to a kasra form. So it's either going to be fasli or faslin muniba. It cannot be faslun. It cannot be faslun. It cannot be faslu. It cannot be fasla. It cannot be faslan. It has to be kasra. It can be either be single kasra or double kasra.
Okay.
Okay. So min faslun is wrong. It has to be min faslin or fasli.
Yeah.
So what is it going to be, Muniba?
Min firstly.
Min fasli, okay. Bint, we have bint which is goal, and we have qasir. Qasir which is short, opposite of tawil. So what is it going to be here? Okay, anyone else who wants to try?
Is it bintun khasirun?
Bintun qasirun? Okay, let's try to analyze this. We have kitabun, okay, and we have al-waladi. Kitabun al-waladi, what pattern does this follow?
Off pattern.
Kitabul waladi follows off pattern. It does not follow the off
Kitabu.
pattern.
Kitabu should be there.
Kitabu.
It cannot be kitabun. It has to be kitabu al-waladi. So kitabun could be a book, but al-waladi would never match with kitabu. Okay, so it has to be either al-kitabu or something else has to come, because there's walad. It has to be kitab of the boy. Okay, so it has to be kitabu al-waladi. So it only has to be single u. Kitabul waladi, that would be kitab of the boy. Okay, so I'll have an off here. Al madrasiyu. Okay, what does madrasiyu link with? Does madrasa al madrasiyu link with walad or with kitab?
Kitab.
Kitab. Why? Because it's madrasiyu. This is kitabu. So this would link here. So kitab links with madrasa. So it would be the boy's school book. Okay. So kitab al madrasa would be school book, and book of the boy would be kitabu waladi. Okay. So this is what it should be. So kitabu al waladi al madrasiyu min fasli bintun qasirun. So min is okay. So it is from min fasli is okay from the class. Okay, so there's a hidden al here, is what we are implying. Let me use a different color. Yeah, you implying there's an al here. Now, min fasli would be from the class. Okay, from the class. Bintu Kasirun. How do I say from the short girls class? So I have from the class of the short girl. So I have from the class. Now, how do I say class of the short girl? This is what I need to do. So first I do class of the girl. How do I say class of the girl?
Faslu al-binti.
Faslu al-binti, but I have min. So min is going to make it fasli.
So firstly al-binti, al-kasirati. Al-kasirati should be there.
Fasli al-binti
Kasirati.
al-kasirati. I have to put al-kasirati.
B is correct, Sahib.
B does not have kasirati, right? So it has still masculine.
D, Sahib.
D.
D for dog.
Okay, so it is kitabul waladi al madrasiyu min fasli al binti al kasirati. So Nahid says it should be D, it should not be E. Okay, other guesses? What should the answer be?
It should be D only, Sakman, because D is the correct one.
It has to be D because it is the short girl. So bint is girl, so it has to be al kasiratu. That's the only option. It should make it small girl. It could either be C or D. What's wrong with C?
Madrasi is there. Madrasiyu is not there. Madrasi.
Yes. So what would madrasi in this one link with?
Waladi.
It would link with waladi.
Waladi.
And what would that imply? It would be the school boys book. That's wrong with C. Right? So Zahan, what is the correct answer? You seem to be on mute, Zahan.
Yes, Sakib Chacha.
Is the answer still E?
Yes.
What's the answer? What's the answer, Zahan?
E.
It is not E. You're not paying attention. What's the answer, Zahan?
D.
D. So if this were a quiz, Zahan, would your answer be correct or wrong?
Hello.
So Zahan, if this were a quiz, would your answer be correct or wrong? Okay, 10 more minutes to go. Let's do a simple question. Okay, and this time we'll give the simple question to Adnan. Let's do Adnan और फुज़ेल लफीफ़ा. ठीक है, तो जो भी फास्ट है फुज़ेल लफीफ़ा पार्ट म्यूट कर सकते हो. तो देखते हैं कौन जल्दी से आंसर बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो अदनान, फुज़ेल और अफीफ़ा तीनों के बीच में अभी कंपटीशन. So we'll do question 7. The question we have. So we have Al-Quranu Kitabu Allahi. Al-Quran is Al-Quran Kareem. Kitab is book. Allahi is Allah. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Al-Quranu Kitabullahi. Al-Quranu Kitabullahi. इसका मीनिंग क्या है?
कुरान अल्लाह की कलाम.
फिर से बोलो. अल-कुरानु किताबु अल्लाही. अल-कुरानु क्या है? फिर से फुज़ेल, आपकी आवाज़ टूट रही है. अदनान, व्हाट इज अल-कुरानु? The Quran. Okay. Adnan, Fuzil, Afifa.
The Quran, Allah. The Quran, Book of Allah.
The Quran, Book of Allah. Fuzil, I think आप mute पे हो. Or I think Fuzil is not there. And they correct. Okay. So what's the answer, Adnan?
Is it the Quran, Book of Allah?
The Quran. There's a break here. And you're saying Book of Allah. Okay, the Quran, Book of Allah. So what's going to come here, Adnan? There's a break here. So how do I complete this?
One. Quran, no. The Quran, is the Book of Allah. No.
Is the Book of Allah, because Allah is definite. Kitab is also going to be definite, so it's going to be the Book of Allah, and while we have the break, we are going to put an is. So the Quran is the Book of Allah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now next question, Adnan or Muniba. Let's see who gets the answer correct quickly. So Adnan and Muniba, question to you guys. Ash-shaytanu adduwul insana. Ash-shaytan is shaitan. Adduwun is enemy. Al-insana is insan, is man. So what's the meaning of this? Ash-shaytanu adduwul insani.
The shaitan
Muniba, the shaitan?
is the enemy.
The shaitan is the enemy
Of the people.
of the people. Insan is of man. Nas is people. Insan is man.
So enemy of the man.
Yes, very good. The shaitan is the enemy of the man. Very good, Adnan. Now next question, Muniba. If your connection is good. Yawmul Jumu'ati, Yawmul Eid. Jumu'ah is Jumu'ah, Friday. Yawm is day. Eid is Eid. So we have Eidul Fitr, Eidul Adha. This is the same Eid. So Yawmul Jumu'ati, Yawmul Eid.
Eid is
is
On Friday. No, Eid is Friday. No.
Eid is Friday. Yawm is day. Sentence doesn't have day.
Yeah.
And Yawmul Jumu'ati, Yawmul Eid. So Eid is coming after in the sentence. Jumu'ah is coming first. So what does this sentence literally translate to? So literally
On Friday is Eid.
Okay. What is on, Muniba? How do we say on? What is on?
Alal.
Alal. Is there an Allah here? Where's the Allah, Muniba?
No.
Okay.
We
And
have
the
the
other thing,
off construction.
Yawmun is day. Yawmun is day. Your sentence also doesn't have day, Muniba. This sentence in Arabic has two yawm. And yawm means day. Okay, so yawmun means day. Oh, day.
It will have the off construction, Noma.
Correct. So what is Yawmul Jumati?
The day of Jummah is the day of Eid.
Very good. So we have day of Jummah or Friday, and we have day of Eid. And there's a break in the sentence here.
Is
So there is an is. So the day of Jummah, because Jummah is definite. So the day of Jummah is the day of Eid. Okay. So the day of the Jummah is the day of the Eid. Okay. Let's do a few more questions. Kul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Okay. Kul means say. Kul means say. So question to you, Hifza. Kul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. A'udhu means I seek refuge or I seek protection, and this a'udhu. A'udhu is the present tense word. It is starting with the hamza, so it is I. Okay. So aqra'u, aktubu, atawadda'u, usalli. It starts with alif, so it is I seek refuge. Rabb is Rabb. B is in. Nas is people. So what would this sentence translate to, Hifza? So Nasun means people. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. What would it mean, Hifza?
I seek refuge.
Say.
I seek refuge. So you've translated a'udhu. B is what we have on top. Let me do B. In. Rabbi.
Lord.
So Rabb or Lord. Okay. An-Nasi. What does this mean, Hafsa? So you're missing An-Nasi and you're missing Kul. Sadia. Kul a'udhu bi Rabbi An-Nasi. What would it translate to?
I seek refuge from the Lord.
That would be min, no? So B means in or at or with or by. Okay. From would be min. There's no min here. If I say from the Lord, it would be Kul a'udhu min Rabbi.
Of
Not min
people.
Rabbi. Of people.
Of the people.
Why the people?
Because al
There's
is there,
al.
no?
There's not. There's al. Okay, so it's
And say, I seek refuge.
there's the kul at the start. So where would the kul come?
Say,
Sadia.
I seek refuge from the Lord. In the Lord.
Okay. So say means say, like I would say do homework, or I'd say study, or read, or write, or answer the question. Okay. So this is imperative. So this is a command. So just say, I seek refuge in the Rabb or Lord of the people. So be Rabbi. So this is with the Rabb.
Sahiba, isn't it seek?
I seek, correct. So I seek refuge. Be Rabbi. Be Rabbi is in the Rabb or with the Rabb. Okay. Be Rabbi an-Nasi. So why am I putting an off here, Sadia or Hifza?
There's a hidden of.
Why is there off? There shouldn't be off. There's no off here, no?
There's a hidden off, Sahiba.
Why?
Because there is nasi.
Nasi, and it is Rabbi. It is not Rabbin. It is not al-Rabbi. Okay? Because there is off. Before the off, remember I cannot have al. I cannot have double kasra. And since it is Rabbi, it follows the rule of off. So there is an off. So Rabbi doesn't have al, it doesn't have tanween, and an-Nasi has kasra. Awesome. Now last question, okay? Before we close. So last question for today. The question is, Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahrin. So Laylatun would mean night. Okay, so we have Laylun, we have Sabah, which is morning, we have Nahar, which is day, and we have Layl, which is night. Okay, so Laylun means a night. Laylul Qadr is decree, so the night of decree. So this is the Laylatul Qadr of Ramadan, which is in the last 10 nights. Okay, so Qadrun would mean a decree, or would mean a decree. Let me put this for now, although it's a tough word. So it's night of decree or power. Okay, which is a more easier to understand translation. So we have Laylatul Qadri khayrun. Khayr is like we would say Jazakallahu khayran. Okay, may Allah grant you with good. So khayr is good or better. Okay, or best. That's what khayr would mean. So khayrun would mean good or better. Min is from alf. Alfun is 1,000. Shahrun, what is Shahrun? We have Shahru Ramadan. We have
Month.
Dhul Qaida. What is Shahr?
Month.
Month.
Some min will be then here, no?
Then.
Min would be then, correct. So min would be then.
Not man, ma, min.
Min is then. Okay. So Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahrin. Shahrun is month. So what's the meaning of this sentence? Anyone who wants to translate? Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahrin.
The night of
The night of
Qadr is better than 1,000 months.
The night of power is better than
1,000 months.
1,000 months. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. Why are we saying this is the answer? Because we have Laylatul Qadri. So it is Laylatu al Qadri, no al, no tanween, kasra. So it's night of power. So the night of power. Khairun, better than. This is the break in the sentence. Khairun min, better than Alfi Shahrin. From what? From Alfi Shahrin, from 1,000 months. So like we say Khamsatu Rijalin, for 1,000 we would say Alfi Shahrin. Alfi Shahrin means 1,000 months. So better than 1,000 months. So this is Laylatul Qadri. This follows the off rule. Alfi Shahrin is 1,000 off months or 1,000 months. So that's the second place where we have off. Okay. So the night of power is better than 1,000 months. Where we have a break in the sentence, we would put the hidden is. With that, we will close. Anyone who has questions, you can stay back. I'll stay back after the class. We'll take questions after the class, inshallah. We'll close the official class for today right now. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. It was nice doing these translations together. And Zahan is little disappointed we haven't done a quiz, but hopefully he's also learned how to translate sentences and not use Google Translate. Okay. Anyone who has questions, I'm waiting 5 minutes right now, inshallah. And for the others, ma salama. See you next Saturday at 12:30 p.m.
Jazakallah khair, ma.
Sahib, the Alfi
Right, okay.
Shahrin doesn't have any rule like masculine, feminine, Sahib. The number.
Alfi Shahrin will come there, Nahid auntie.
Any rule is there, Sahib? Like masculine, feminine?
Yes, so those are little advanced number rules, Nahid auntie. So if I say,
Okay. We'll leave it then, no problem.
so 100 has a rule. So I would say if it was 100, so these are more, say, complex and advanced rule. So
Shahrin is, okay, yeah.
Miyatu is 100, and Arabic and English and numbers in Arabic are little complex. Like we have 1 and 2 will be male, male, female, female. 3 to 10 would be opposite. Okay. Now for 100, 100 is Miyatu. I would say Miyatu Shahran, and that's a rule for 100. So wherever I have 100, 200, 300, 101 up to 999, wherever it is 100, I'll say Shahran.
Okay.
Where it is 1,000, I'll
Shahrin
say
is
Shahran.
masculine. Month is masculine, Sahib.
Oh, Shahr is fi Shahri Ramadan, it's masculine, I thought.
Okay.
If it was
And you
between
don't-
3 and 10, I would say Ashhurin. I would use the plural. Shahr is masculine, is singular. For anywhere between 3 and 999, I would say Ashhurin, which is, say, plural.
I didn't get that. Okay.
So if I say 3 months,
Okay.
which is the rule we have seen, and we'll verify this on Google Translator. So what is 3, Nahid auntie?
Salathu.
Thalathu or Thalathatu. So I'd say Thalathu or Thalathu. We'll see this based on month. And we have Ashhurin.
Ashur.
Okay. Shahr is masculine. So I'll make this Thalathu. I'll not make it Thalathatu. Thalathu Ashhurin would be 3 months. And we can verify this. Let's see if I've gotten the spelling correct. So we go back to Google Translate.
Salasatu ni kya masculine, feminine milko anas ni.
Oh, correct. Sorry. It should be Salathatu because it has to be masculine. It has to be feminine. So it has to be feminine and masculine.
From 3 onwards. Take a Sahib. 3
Correct.
onwards only.
Correct. This is masculine, so this has to be feminine. So it has to be Thalathatu Ashhurin. So this is 3 months. And this is correct.
Okay. And
So
you
this
told
is the
yesterday,
rule.
Sahib. Yeah. Ab khairun ko mein is better इस खैर बोलते हैं. अब
Oh, नहीं.
कुरानुन कर कहे तो इस कुरान नहीं. Al Quran, yesterday we told when Al Quran comes we should say as Quran, the Quran. Quranun kar ko aaya to is Quran. Ab kitab of Allah is Quran. Quran is the kitab of Allah bol rahi na. Al Quran in the beginning if it comes we should add ourselves is kya.
नहीं Nahadanti. This is will come only when there's a break in the sentence.
This I understood. Khairun is we say is better kar ko. Yesterday we told that no.
How?
is better बोलना अल्लाह को. If al khair है तो मैं is better नहीं बोलना. Al khair है तो अल्लाह आगा तो is नहीं बोलना मैं.
भाई वैसा नहीं Nahadanti. So
वैसा नहीं.
Laylatul Qadri khairun min alfi ashhurin. So if I do this step by step, so ये night of power आ जाएगा.
Yeah, I understood this statement Saqib.
How?
Al Quran Kitabullahi.
How?
तब Al Quran अब हमें the Quran is कर बोलते हैं.
वो आपको break in the sentence है Nahadanti. So if I say
अगर ये Al Quran बीच में आगा तो I should not put is no Saqib.
नहीं
Quran नहीं है.
The rule for is Nahadanti is whenever there's a break in the sentence is हमें Arabic में डालते नहीं. So there's no rule for is. इसके लिए you can never define a rule. For example, if I say Al-Quran, if I say Al-Quranu, this is the Quran.
Okay.
Kitabu.
Kitab of Allah.
Kitabu.
That rule I understood. Kitab of Allah का rule समझ में आगा.
Allah he. How? So is, don't put the is at the very end. After putting everything else. So Al-Quran is the Quran.
Yeah.
The Quran. Kitabu Allah he. There's no connection. The Quran के साथ ये part खत्म हो जाता है. And I have Kitab of Allah.
जी.
अगर connection होना Nahadanti, I can say Quranu Kitabillahi. If I say
Quranun करवांगा किसा है Quranun. Allah ऐसे Quranu होगा
so the Quran.
जी.
If I want to put connection between these two Nahadanti, I'll explain one more case.
Yes.
Al-Quran और किताब के बीच में connection नहीं है. मैं कहीं को बोल रहा हूँ connection नहीं है करको. If I have to make connection, I will take out the al. I will put kasra.
Yes.
And I can say it is Quran of the book of Allah. तो एक connection बन जाता है इनके बीच में.
किताबी. कैसे कैसा है?
Quranu Kitabi Allahi. So this would be Quran of book of construction बन जाता है देखो Nahadanti. Quranu
मतलब अल्लाह आना नहीं साकिब. Al Kitabi.
is दो किताब. फिर आया तो भी नहीं आता भी
अल्लाह ही नहीं आएगा. ओके.
अल्लाह ही आ रहा है तो टोटल किताबी. तो यहाँ पे कनेक्शन है. ब्रेक नहीं है. यहाँ पे अल कुरान अकेला है. किताबुल्लाह ही किताब ऑफ अल्लाह ये अकेला है. सो यहाँ पे ब्रेक है. We will put the is. So this you cannot form. The many rules for is.
Okay.
यहाँ पे khairun is like saying better, taller, shorter, more beautiful, more fast, more clever. So it's a comparative.
Yeah.
Most
this
comparatives.
I understood.
So
अब आगे
night of
ये
power.
जगह al khair आ रहा तो हमें इस नहीं डालेंगे. Yesterday I understood if al comes I should not add is or r. Al khair आ रहा तो नहीं बोलना मैं. Khairun कर आया तो इस खैर कर समझ लेना.
That is for adjective. तो अगर
adjective.
adjective phrase.
Oh, Quran is not adjective. समझी साखिब.
Correct. For example, I am asking you, you can say, for example, there's a difference between phrase and sentence. For example,
I mixed adjective with Quran. Okay, sir.
I think I'll make it a little more clear now. So, adjectives. So, I can say the boy is tall.
Yeah.
Yako sentence. It has complete meaning.
जी.
I can also say the tall boy.
Yeah.
दोनों में there is tall. Tall is adjective.
जी.
लेकिन difference इन दोनों में क्या कहते हो? The difference is minute. For example, if I ask you Nahadanti, which boy came first in the test? तो
the tall boy.
तो मैं आपको the boy is tall करको नहीं बोल सकते. कहीं को कहते हो this is all sentence. So you will say the tall boy.
Yeah.
This is full subject. So that is the difference.
Yeah.
The tall boy came first in the test. So बाकी का meaning is separate. लेकिन tall boy
हाँ.
is part of the subject. So that is the tall
हाँ.
boy. जब ऐसा आ जाता है तो अल आएगा और there will be no
जी.
s in between. तो वो
Yeah.
meaning.
Yeah. Yeah. यहाँ तोविलुन नांगा ऊपर से तोविलुन नांगा.
हाँ.
We'll put is tall.
Correct.
यहाँ तोविल यहाँ क्या अल तोविलु.
अल वलदु अत्तविलु.
तोविलु. जी अब समझ में आ गया. Only adjective को रूल आता है समझ.
हाँ ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग रूल नहीं था उससे मैं इतना डिटेल में नहीं एक्सप्लेन करा क्योंकि तो लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे मैं बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में गया तो
जी जी.
लेकिन ये डिफरेंस तो अत्तविलु ऐसा केस में आया तो देन देयर इज नो इज दैट्स ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट.
जी समझ में आ गया. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.
वही आपको नहीं जानते. ओके एनी अदर क्वेश्चन मम्मा अनिल आंटी.
Oh, ma.
अच्छा मम्मा we'll close then for today. See you all
क्या बोले
next Saturday.
साहिब the fourth table है ना क्या बोले so what you have to connect करको the fourth question of the yesterday's paper. We discussed the two questions now. Annotation का.
कौन सा annotation नहीं था?
Meaning का जो yeah so the old woman नहीं the big house of the woman is in the American उसका नीचे का question क्या the next question साहिब what should we do with the table?
Oh वो I think वो परवाह नहीं था आंटी.
वो क्या करना था? I didn't get it. Identify the correct independent form of the attached pronouns by drawing a line to the corresponding box.
हाँ वो को इन्ना नहीं था आंटी. I think वो हमें उतना डिटेल में नहीं देखे. For example inna is indeed जो हमें देखे.
How?
So inna के बाद we will not have how we will not have inna we will not have inna antum. For example indeed I will not be inna ana. उसका attached form आएगा. inna ni करके आएगा. So it will be inna.
Inni अच्छा अच्छा. Inna ha को हिया को क्या साहिब? Inna ha is here.
Correct. inna ha को हिया के साथ.
These two should be connected and that two should be connected.
So inna ha will connect with here. Inna ni or inni will connect with ana.
Innani.
Inna hu will connect with hua.
Hua. Inna ka को.
Inna ki will connect with anti.
Inna ki oh. Inna ki.
No, तो अंति का attached form की अंता का
जी.
अंतुम का कुम तो for all of the second person you take out the un replace the term with ka.
Yeah.
तो या को यहाँ कनेक्ट करेगा. This is rule of inna जो I think हम थोड़े बाद में देखेंगे. Indeed और certainly उसके बाद attached pronoun आएगा वो normal pronoun आएगा. अगर noun आता है it will come with fatha. So it will be inna muhammadan. Inna muhammadun नहीं आएगा. It will make muhammadun to muhammadan.
हाँ inna after inna an will come. Okay.
Oh, so inna hamidan inna al mudarrisu नहीं आएगा. Although mudarrisu is a subject generally
मुदरिसा.
inna al mudarrisa तो वो है. So with pronoun it will come like this. So inna hum के साथ hum आएगा. inna nahnu innana
Nahnu के साथ innana.
anta innaka innaka hunna inna hunna.
जी.
Oh, ये है. So वो इन्ना का एक्सरसाइज है सुना था which I think grammar
I didn't okay fine.
हमें उतना डिटेल में
ओके जाहिर
सुना था.
जी. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर साहिब.
नो प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. वो आपको रूल्स 2 और 3 नहीं था. आई थिंक हमने उतना डिटेल में नहीं देखे क्लास में. मैं खाली एक एग्जांपल में देखे उसे जल्दी से.
जी.
हां नहीं था ठीक.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
वो ये आपका अच्छा नहीं था ठीक.
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.
माशाल्लाह. See you all next Saturday.
Bye.
Inshallah.